Hello and welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So yeah, we are in the third month of the year. Pretty much. The last day in February when I'm recording this, and I am extremely looking forward to March because it means spring is coming. That's what I always think of when I think of March. So I'm gonna start by talking about what was a buddy read now turned into a read along, which is Bluebird by Attica Locke. So initially, me and Freeform Lady was gonna buddy read this, and we decided we want other people to join in. It's the more the merrier, and so we have a Goodreads group, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description bar where if you want to join in and read this book with us. I think it's gonna be fun. It is a mystery, bit of a crime thriller, and it's the main character is a black Texas Ranger, and he is in a small town trying to solve two murder cases. So I'm looking forward to this. It should be a good discussion. So that's where we at with this one. Now this is a book that most likely not going to finish, which is an Orchestra of Minority. I started this. I pretty much a good chunk in. I'm about 132 pages in. I am loving it, so I'm gonna continue it. Hopefully this weekend I can finish or get most of it. I'm going to review it. I am really enjoying this. It has a bit of magical realism in there, bit of a lot of African folktale, so it's very entertaining, and I'm gonna finish it, gonna review it when I'm done. Now for Morgan Dane's series by Melinda Lee, the 5th book is going to be out in March. Didn't check the exact date, but I will be reading it. Love this series. I talked a lot about it last year, so there's no doubt that I'm going to read the 5th book in the series, and it is called Secrets Never Die, and it's still another case that this lawyer, she went from being a prosecutor to a defense lawyer, and that's how the first book started. And she is usually trying to solve a case with a male interest who's someone she's dating now, who is the detective. And it's always an interesting case, how the case gets solved, who's the murder. Is a lot of suspense. I'm always surprised. I'm always can't put the book down because I want to know who's the killer, that kind of thing. It feels like it could easily be a TV series. Love it. Then the other book that came out 2 weeks ago that I am like dying to get into, and it is the 3rd book from Penelope Douglas in the Devil's Night series, and it's called Kill Switch, and this one is Damon's story. I don't like Damon, but apparently when I was on Twitter and she's trying to convince me that this book I'm going to like Damon, so we'll see about that. So I'm definitely going to be reading that in March. Then I enjoyed Ethic. Not going to talk about it because I'm going to do a wrap up. So it left on a cliffhanger, so there's no doubt I'm going to read part 2. And then I am going to squeeze in The Cutting Season, also by Attica Locke. So this one give me that Erie, Louisiana plantation house. Also has a lot of mystery, perfect for March Mystery Madness month. So I'm hoping to get to this one, and I'm hoping nothing else distracts me, but this one and Bluebird will be my first 2 books from this author. I never read anything from her, but I'm looking forward to this. And then something that is totally different from all of the other books, and that is Beverly Jenkins' Tempest. Now this is the last, I believe this is the last one in the series. I'm not 100% sure, let me not say that, but I'm looking forward to reading this one. This is probably the lightest read in the pack because everything else is pretty much even. Kill Switch. It's a dark romance, but it's really an erotic thriller. So it's very action packed, but sexy. But this one is more, it's going to be a little bit more tamed than everything else I'm reading, which I think is going to be good so I can break up the book, especially if you read too many like crime thrillers and mystery. Sometimes after a while you kind of get tired of it, or you kind of sort of start figuring things out too early on because you just don't have any patience. So this is a nice way to add to in between certain books to read this. And this is all the books I have that I plan on reading, and hopefully it works out for me because February was a good idea for me to have a TBR because it worked out well. I had 8 books on my TBR and I believe I read 7. I think I had, I might have read 8. I might have read 8 because I think there's one book that wasn't on my TBR that I read. So I might actually read 8. I haven't tallied up yet, but I had a good month and I figure I want to continue a little bit with the TBR, mainly because it gives me option of stuff to pick up because I have this. These are the books I want to read for the month. I just can just mind them out, pick a book that I like, and it's been working for me. But as you know, sometimes TBRs don't work out, but so far, fingers crossed, it's working out. So anyway, what are you reading? What are you looking forward to? Are you going to be joining in with reading Bluebird? Let me know. And yeah, have a good day, guys. Bye.